I'd like to say that we have been seriously preparing a case of plunder against former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Senate President Chis Escudero. Plunder rin ang aming hinahandang kaso para sa kanila. And as a conspiracy, with the element of conspiracy involved in the preparation of the complaint. Well, within the month of May, we're just tying up many things that have to be there for us to make a case out of it. Pero the Senate President, the former Senate President, and the former Speaker will be subjected to a case of plunder very soon. Flood control related in so many ways, yes. Pero marami pang iba kasi nga marami pang ibang mga miyembro ng dalawang bahay na maaaring tamaan din ng mga kaso ng plunder sa aming hinahanda ngayon. It's actually the way that the budget was passed upon by the two houses and how many things happened to have been implemented because of that. Narinig nyo na istorya mula sa mga testigo dati sa Senate. And if you think about it, there was a conspiracy to commit plunder. I think you can put everything together. Kayo mismo, you can put it together. It doesn't take a genius to do it. Maraming madadamay. Right now, ang tinitingnan natin, 24 and 25. Pero, it can go back to as far as the time of Speaker Velasco is concerned. Nung panahon ni Speaker Velasco, malamang ay babalik pa kami hanggang doon sa pag-aaral ng mga kasong dapat pagulungin laban sa mga taong gumawa ng ganitong gawain na plunder nga. Paglilimas ng ating kabanang bayan.